Hello, thank you for joining us again in our training series. Today we are going to be setting up the theme, choosing the theme that we are going to be using for our social networking website. So to install the theme, you need to log in into your dashboard if you have not done so already. Then click on appearance and click on theme. So let's go to that. If you are logged in, you should see this header, this bar. But if you're not logged in, you will have to log in to be able to see that. So if you are logged in, just click on this icon. Once you click on it, click on dashboard. Automatically it's going to redirect you to your dashboard. Click on it and click on dashboard. Automatically you will be shown the dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, just click on this icon to expand the menu. So click on appearance. Once you click on appearance, then click on themes. So once you click on themes, now remember in our past lectures we installed themes by choosing from WordPress theme directory, by choosing some of those themes that has been loaded in WordPress directory. Now to install a theme, click on add new. But this time we are going to be uploading a theme. The theme we are going to be using for this social networking website is going to be a theme we upload, not the one we choose from the WordPress theme directory. WordPress has presently now for over 4,400 themes are available, but we are not choosing from this. I want to show you how to also install theme by uploading it into your WordPress website. So click on upload theme. Click on upload theme. So once you click on upload theme, this box is going to get displayed. And once that box gets displayed, click on choose files. Once you click on choose file, you have to navigate to where that theme has been stored in your device. So I will click on in my phone here. I will click on document. Once I click on document, the theme is in my downloads folder. So I will click on downloads. So once I click on downloads, this is the theme I'm installing. So I'll click on it. Once I click on it, can you see it is now shown here as the selected theme. So once I have chosen the file, all I need to do is just to click on install file now. So click on install file, install now. Once I click on install now, the theme is going to be installed. Then I will have to activate. Just the same way whenever we install theme through the WordPress directory, we also need to activate. Same thing applies here. The theme is uploading presently. Is uploading. Once the uploading is done, it's going to show activate or preview. So let's wait for the file to be uploaded into our server. Remember, the file was a zipped file. So WordPress has some functionalities of unzipping a file. So the theme has been unzipped. Can you see? It's now showing live preview, activate, or go to theme page. But what we want to do is you need to activate this theme so that we can start working with it. So I'll click on activate. So once I click on activate, our old design, which was the green background and some dummy text, is going to be override with this new theme that we've installed. So let us go and check out our website looks like now. Click on this home icon. then click on visit site. I'm going to open this in a new tab. Now, can you see? We now have a different design. We have a different outlook. Can you see this? So that is how to change our theme. That was how to install a new theme by using the upload section. So now let's move on by doing some other things in our social networking website. Now in our next class, what we are going to be majoring on is we are going to transform this home page from, this is just like a blog view. We are going to make this to be an activity field. Just like when you log in into your Facebook account, you are going to see activities, what is going on in your Facebook, what your friends are saying, the post your friends published, or the trending content on Facebook will be displayed to you. So that will be what we are going to be working on in our next class. So thank you for your time, and make sure you join us in the next class. I believe you are grabbing some things, you are learning some things already, so don't miss the next class. And also, if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so now, and also click on notification bell icon to stay notified whenever we upload a new video. And also share this training with your friends, with your colleagues, your family, and see you in our next class. Stay blessed. Bye for now.